Hello, this is Jeff Horner. I am showing you how you can use Screencast-O-Matic. It is a free application that you can access through an extension on your Chrome web browser. I am currently experimenting with some of its capabilities. It tells me that anything that is inside this box will be able to be used, and I can use this toolkit up here to do various things, including draw on my screen if I should so choose to do so, to highlight something. I can also erase it, which is pretty nice. But these are all the kind of tools that are available as free extensions on your Google Chrome browser, which is, in my mind, why it is one of the superior browsers. You can record anything that's going on the background of your screen, which really is a very, very handy feature. And then it allows you to spotlight certain things. You can exit the drawing feature here. But what I can also do is go into a, for example, given PowerPoint presentation and see what's going on inside it. Click along. I could even go so far as to activate the slideshow process, and you could see this in all of its glory, perhaps. So it's a nice feature. I recommend getting on and playing with it, but if you were so inclined to use it, you may also operate completely out of your own presentation here. This is going to be an upcoming presentation I'm going to be doing on February 24th with my friends in the Baylor Virtual Learning Network. And this is some of the material that I have prepared for them. I'm excited to use Screencast-O-Matic because it's got a lot more capabilities than I use it for, but you can narrate over anything, and then what I will do is eventually bring this to an end and upload it to my own YouTube channel, because if you have a Gmail account, you have a YouTube channel. You need to connect them and activate it, but then you can upload anything that's an MP3 and save it directly to YouTube, and then you don't have to take up the space on your computer. If you keep it on the YouTube channel, you can change the settings to who gets to have access to it and so on and so forth. But I will be able to show you how to do that in a different video.